model, 66-plate Renault Trafic Sport SL29 DCI €120 needs turbo. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 124937. MOT, the 18th of October 2025. Engine, 1598 cc R9M DCI 120. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, runs fine, although the turbo is not pushing out any boost whatsoever. Straightforward turbo replacement job. Engine sounds perfect. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,750 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.